the fuck happened? And it was this fucker, Yellow? Who kicked...
A rival dealer in the party.
Yeah, Yellow. Don't fucking correct... Good Lord in heaven. Rockay City. Wow. What they used to call it? The crown jewel of Florida. Oh, I got the crown part right. Pretty goddamn accurate. Fuck, man, I was goddamn handsome. Back when I moseyed into Rockay. Fixing to take the whole town by storm. Live fast. Die young. Leave a good-looking corpse, right? To get what you want, you gotta figure out who you're willing to throw down against. You see, battle for the king of Rockay meant going toe-to-toe with the baddest ass-kicker on the planet.
Let's end it here today.
That would be Sheriff goddamn fucking Norris.
That's it. We end this.
Yeah.
Charge!
I'm sorry.
Entry team ready to engage.
The whole bank is up in smoke. And a fucking chunk of money.
Not ideal. Status.
Status is, fuck you.
Alive. Good.
Damn. Need to reload. Okay, I'll make you a deal, Sheriff. I'll return this money and lay down my guns right now. Well, quite a convenient fucking day to stay home.
It almost sounds as if you were making an insinuation.
Listen, you bet your ass I am. So prove me wrong and get the hell over here now.
En route. Maintain your position.
You know the fucking Geminis. I'm telling you something, you can't trust them.